Hi there everybody. In today's video I have this Mini Cooper. This is a 2009. I changed the front brake pads in it just a couple of days ago. Now we need to reset the service indicator for the front brake pads. And I'm just going to show you how to do that. I mean, if you check your service interval by pressing the BC button here, if we go to the set info and then press the button until that menu comes up, and then it says check info, and then you just flick with the BC button there through the menu, go to the service info and then press and hold the BC button, and then that shows you what services you have there, what's been done and what hasn't been done, and so on. So sorry, just go back in there, service. So that's brake fluid, that's oil, and that's the front brake pads there. So 7,000 miles, that was on the older pads. The rear 26,000, and then we have home there. So basically, to do the reset, if you change your pads, okay, so to reset the front brake pads on the computer, we just get the key in, and I'm gonna press the start button here, but not pressing the brake or anything. Just get the ignition on, like so. And after that little car disappears, or it might be a service, a little red thing there, press and hold these two buttons. It might be just a red symbol that comes up if you need to reset something. But wait until the time comes up, and then press the two buttons and hold them until this runs a test. The system runs a test. Once the test is finished, at this point I'm going to release the button on the right, and I'm going to press it again while keep holding to the left button. Now we keep pressing them. Okay, so release both buttons now, and with the BC button now you can change the menu, and I'm gonna go to the front pads, which is that one there, and then I'm gonna press and hold on the BC button to select that menu, and then it says really reset. So now I'm going to reset it by press and hold that BC button, and then the little clock is coming, and that is done. So the new pads are there for another 37,000 miles or so, and that's pretty much it. So then the system will go back to the normal startup menu. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.